I'm happy with all of them. I think they were all brave tonight. It was nice we got young George Williams on the pitch and Emma Hughes, more experience for Declan, Johnny Williams. You know, all these, they're all babies really, talking about these players very, very young. When you're that type of player, when you get the ball and you're fearless and you want to go at the heart of the opponents and you want to, you know, beat people, and if you're good enough to do that, and he is, then, you know, it's a big bonus. If you're Danny Gabardon and James Chester tonight, who have had 3 weeks off, and you've had 4 sessions against that opposite, you know, Van Persie and Schneider and Robin, it doesn't get any tougher. But they were great. Great performance, the pair of them. What Holland are trying to do is get Van Persie, Robin and Schneider on the pitch, up the top of the pitch, and they're playing a formation in behind those 3 to make sure when they get it, they can, you know, they're going to get maximum exposure from the 3 very, very good strikers that they've got. But no, it didn't really make it easier for us because we had to adapt tactically on the pitch. I thought Joe Allen, our captain, led by example, recognised it immediately, and, you know, he spoke to the lads accordingly, and we readjusted. He's so brave on the pitch, leads within his play. He's quietly spoken, but he's got a real good presence. He's done a fantastic job for us. I thought he was excellent.